What if I told you that you could create professional presentation in under 2 minutes? Watch as I transform a complex 34-page financial report from Tesla into a stunning presentation, faster than making a coffee. No design skills needed, no late-night PowerPoint formatting, just pure AI magic. Hey, welcome to Max Productive AI. In today's crowded AI landscape, finding tools that actually boost productivity is challenging. This channel cuts through the noise and checks which AI tools deliver real value in everyday tasks. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, consultant, or office worker, we test these tools in real-world conditions. No hype, no fluff. Today, we're testing Gamma, an AI tool that claims to create eye-catching, expert-level designs for presentations, websites, documents, and social media content in seconds. In this review, we will focus only on presentations. We will do 3 tests and ask Gamma to generate a presentation from a prompt of a business pitch deck, a PDF file of a complex financial report, and a link of a technical blog post. The challenge for this type of tool, of course, is to create generic content or incoherent designs requiring long rework and ending up by taking longer time than doing it from scratch the traditional way with PowerPoint or Apple Keynote. So before we dive into testing, let me show you how to get started. Head to gamma.app and sign up for free. No credit card is needed, just an email address or your Gmail address. You will get 400 credits. That's enough for 10 presentation generation with a maximum of 10 slides per presentation. Okay, let's start with our first test. So after signing up, you will reach this screen. We will select generate through a prompt. So we select this one. We keep presentation. As I told you, Gamma can generate web page, document, and social media content. But in this review, we'll focus only on presentation. Here you select the number of cards. Cards are the equivalent of slides, but they are more flexible and they adjust dynamically to the dimension of your content. Think of cards as smart slides. Page style, we will keep a default, which is the flexible cards format. But if you need fixed dimensions, traditional like PowerPoint or Google Slides or Keynote, you can select traditional or tall. We will keep English, but Gamma supports up to 23 languages. And here we will enter our prompt. So in our context, we need a pitch deck for potential customer of tool training service. So we will ask Gamma to create a 10 minutes professional and engaging presentation for Max Productive AI, a company specializing in AI training services for small businesses. The presentation should highlight how small businesses can leverage AI tools to increase productivity, automate tasks, and optimize workflows. No need to be expert in prompt engineering. The simple rule is more specific the prompt, the better and less generic the results. We highly recommend before writing down your prompt to answer 3 questions. Why you're doing your presentation? Is it to sell a product or a service? Is it to update your team? Is it to raise funds? Second question, who's your audience? Is it students, investor, customer? And third question, how much time you will get to do your presentation? 10 minutes presentation has a different structure and storytelling than 30 minutes presentation or 1 hour presentation. After that, you click on Generate Outline. And as you can see, at first glance, the generated outline seems fairly relevant to the topic, but the thing, you can edit every title here and adapt it to your case. And then click on Generate. So now, you can see how it's generating so fast. It's amazing. Wow. Okay, this is the presentation. So I'll click on Present, and then you can see the slides. Very neat design. Yes, I really like the design. So of course, this is not ready to use. However, it's a solid base to be fine-tuned and adapted to the context. And every single element of the presentation is editable. You can change manually or either ask AI to do it for you. For example, here, I can select in this slide, you can edit with AI or edit manually. So you can ask it and prompt it to do the change you want. There is already pre-configured prompts: improve writing, fix spelling, grammar, translate, make longer, make shorter. You can chat with AI to really implement your change. This saves a lot of time. To reach this level of design, you need really hours. And now you will focus more on the content and less on the design and the formatting. Okay, let's have a look on the user interface. It's pretty straightforward and very user-friendly. You have plenty of choice of card templates, smart layout templates, really plenty of choice. And then, of course, all the text blocks and text formatting. You can add images or even generate AI images within Gamma. You can embed videos, social media content, and it's pretty much integrated with the most popular apps. Also use very nice, neat charts and diagrams. And if you need to import your logo and color, you click on theme and new theme and can choose your colors, fonts, and logo. Even if you have your PowerPoint template, you can import it here and start using it seamlessly. Okay, now if you want to export this presentation, you go to the top right and you click on export. So you can export it to PDF format, to PowerPoint, to Google Slides, and as PNGs. We tested several presentations. We opened them in PowerPoint and everything was smooth, no bugs, no formatting issue. I think this is a great feature and smart move by Gamma. So you don't fear to be stuck if you need to send the presentation to someone who uses exclusively PowerPoint. He can edit your presentation, no issue. And by the way, you can also collaborate with other members of your team and work on the same presentation and edit it in real time. Also, Gamma has analytics feature, which track the performance and engagement of your audience with your slides, perfect for sales, pitch, or training session. So the conclusion of the first test is that Gamma produced really a professional design. As you can see, I think this saves a lot of hours in design, formatting, and optimization, and let you focus mainly on content fine-tuning and adapting it to your context. Of course, the obvious alternative for Gamma will be PowerPoint with Copilot. Here we are in PowerPoint, so we click on Copilot, and then we copy-paste the exact same prompt we used in Gamma. We wait for a Copilot answer, create new presentation. We copy it again, and then we wait. It generated the outlines. It seems relevant to the topic. So now generate slides. It's loading. Gamma is much faster. Okay, first observation is that it's pretty basic. Basically, it's used a white background and a block of text with an image each time. I think Gamma did a much better job, and this will require a lot of rework of the text. It's like using a PowerPoint template, just it generated outlines regarding the topic, but not so impressive in terms of design. Now let's move to test number 2. We will use a PDF file of the following complex financial report of Tesla of Q4 2024. This report, as you can see, is very dense with financial data, a lot of text and analysis, graphs, photos. So it's pretty dense and challenging to summarize and transform it into a presentation. It's a 34-page PDF file that I downloaded from Tesla Public Investor Relationship website. Why Tesla is just for an example, because this document is very branded and very dense in financial data. Okay, so now back to Gamma home screen. So we click on Create New, and then we click this time on Import File or URL. So we click here and then upload the file. Of course, you can upload also a PowerPoint, a Word document, or in our case, a PDF. So we click here, we select the PDF file, open, and then we go through all the steps and click Generate. And here is the result. In less than 30 seconds, it generated this presentation, 8 cards presentation. We click on Present, and as you can see, quite impressive design, really professional and very neat, and correspond to Tesla branding. As you can see, these images are AI generated images. So you can see this model, I think, is not a real Tesla model. So you need to pay attention, and actually you can easily edit and upload the real image of a Tesla car. Every single element of this presentation can be edited either manually or using AI. So quite impressive. I think from design standpoint of view, it's really impressive. The content, I think, still need human review to see what are the really critical information to be included. But at first glance, I think it includes the key financial data. You need, I think, still to review the content and edit and add or remove what's the best for your context. Now we come to our test number 3 for today, the final test. So we'll use a blog post from OpenAI about their latest features, deep research. So this was posted on February 2nd, 2025, and is a technical blog post, so with a lot of data, tables, graphs, and text and pictures. Of course, this is very technical. We will just copy paste the link of this article into Gamma. So back to Create with AI page, and we select import file or URL. So here, import from URL, and we paste our link from OpenAI blog. And then we click on import, and we follow the steps until presentation generation. And here is the result. So click on present. Again, very impressive design. So yes, this is in the same as for Tesla financial report. It handled very well the technical data and all the tables. I think even the content is very relevant. But again, you can edit every single element and add, remove, and fine-tune as you wish. So our final conclusion. Is Gamma worth it in 2025? Absolutely. After testing it extensively for the last 2 months, I can confirm it's a genuine time saver and deliver professional designs in seconds. It gives you a solid base to start any presentation. It lets you focus more on the content and less on the design. It handles beautifully complex data in various use cases. Some limitation to consider though. First, you will need internet connection. There is no offline editing. And human input and fine-tuning is still needed, especially regarding content. For pricing, Gamma has a free plan, which is quite generous for testing the app, but unlimited creation starts at $8 per month. For more detail about Gamma, we published a long article about it on our blog. Link in the description. Until next time, stay productive.